Hi guys, so welcome to a new format of game preview.
It's only going to be there for one game.
One game. So we are playing United versus Arsenal. This Sunday is Arsenal United or United Arsenal?
United Arsenal.
United
10
Arsenal,
PM.
10 p.m. this Sunday. So we are doing a review while playing FIFA. So it's not recorded.
Yeah, it is.
Cool. So we have the current squads, FIFA 21.
Who do we-
There is Parday, so I am happy. So Ceballos, you can take a seat, and Parday, you can start. Pepe can start instead of Willian today because I have more faith in him. And Willian is old also. Gabriel Magalhaes. So this squad is loaded. There is everyone in this. Mustafi, centre back. So yeah, quite a.
I think I'll take Alex Telles. Even though Shaw plays well, I want to try out Alex Telles. I don't think I've tried Alex Telles yet on FIFA 21. So I'll try that.
Papastopoulos. Where's Arman Ozil, bro?
Martial.
Oh, he's playing. Oh, damn. Hey, no, he's not playing. Where's Ozil, dude? Oh, he's not in the squad only. Damn nice.
So angry Arteta got. He's like, fuck, you get out of FIFA squad.
Hey, Ozil is there. ये तो
Don't even play.
ठीक है इसको स्क्वाड में तो रख लेते हैं.
Wow, you have empathy, huh?
Cool, I am
Unlike
ready.
your present.
So we are playing 3-4-3. Hey, we play 3-4-3. No, what is this for me? Oh, this is 3-4-3. Cool, ready.
Game settings. We have to do this. It's an every time thing. What do you think? How it's a spring evening. Okay.
Spring
Evening.
So we're playing best of 3. This is the first game happening in Old Trafford. This is our favorite part. We like to, build the atmosphere.
Clear.
Yeah. So it's 6:30 and it's clear
At
skies
Old Trafford, huh?
At Old Trafford. So school kids will be coming home. They'll be getting ready. They would have eaten, so they're ready to go, and they'll be taking pictures outside Old Trafford.
Then they put hashtag MUNARS. E.
Cool. And we begin. United versus Arsenal. Best of 3.
We hope that it can go one of the ways out of the 3, basically.
I purposely
This
like
Sunday.
messing up this training. It's just fun to kick the ball in. What am I supposed to? Oh, this is a dribbling challenge. Fuck that shit.
You said one day you'll seriously do the training. I don't see that one day coming. Even if FIFA 25 comes. Whoa.
Marcus
He's clapping a lot because he's doing a lot.
Twitter hero Marcus Rashford. So in the meanwhile, we will try to talk about what
It is Manchester United versus Arsenal.
Sorry guys, just a moment. We'll be with you shortly, and we are back.
What are you, flight crew?
So we will review the game as well, which is happening on Sunday. Arsenal lost to Leicester yesterday.
United drew against Chelsea this week.
Both of us played against small teams.
Oi, old-time favorites. Chelsea. And new time winners. And new time nostalgic winners now.
Chelsea can suck it. As a United and Arsenal fan, we can proudly say Chelsea can suck it.
Chelsea.
Oh damn!
Today you tried an old trick which didn't work.
So both of us are not used to FIFA 21, and that's why we are playing like this. The way we
It's
are.
okay. We'll never be gamers. We are just entertained. We just get entertained by our own fantasies of hoping. Hey, through volley. Oh no, with no player. Oh wow!
What was that? Oh shit! Light fell.
What was the?
So I think United and Arsenal are evenly stacked because against Leicester, I think Laka's goal should have been given. It was wrongly ruled out by VAR. So I don't completely agree because they said that Xhaka was obstructing game. He was not from a different angle. Laka's goal should have been there, so it should have been 1-1. But it's fine. I think Leicester is a great team. And
Are you just saying that for like PR reasons?
no. They actually played
They
well.
played well.
Yeah, they played really well.
So one thing I don't really like.
Whew. This is weird, right? Because I feel like the defense is defenseless.
finishing has
The
to be
offenders, the
Are they trying to
attackers.
be true to the team?
In FIFA 21, I think the attackers have way more.
What happened? Oh, offside. I was like, why did you offend me? Did you offend me? Or did you defend me? Counter? Why do you always
Bob,
kick it
you
out?
gave it to me.
Rashford always gives.
So what do you think will happen, dude, this Sunday?
So the thing is, last year, literally the second time that they played together, I was with a Arsenal fan in Bombay.
Oh,
Oh, he was right there. He would have saved it.
shakalaka boom boom. Last year
Shakalaka.
Arsenal won 2-1, right?
Yeah, so that game, I remember first half. Oi!
well off the bar and out of play.
Tierney.
Close. Yeah, close indeed. Technique, just leaning back a little bit. That's why it goes so high.
Why do I always do that?
Fred.
Flintstone.
Pogba has it.
Martial arts.
Martial.
Foggy Bear.
He's in here.
Yes! Yes! Woo!
Dude, I just.
Hey, I'll show you that.
Now show the new celebration, Bob.
But this is a little more done.
You know what it
FIFA 20 is mad.
You know what it reminded me of? जिसे देखता हूँ मैं हर घड़ी.
So,
I don't think this game is for defenders. Dude. Like it just like the defenders was they were just standing.
Bob,
and
you have
watching.
David Luiz. I don't think you should expect more from defense. What are you? You think? Oh,
Hey, Aubameyang.
I was gonna
President
give I
Aubameyang.
was gonna give an example of Liverpool, but they are also a little defenseless right now.
And a chance for him on the flank. Let's get through.
Hey, yaar.
Flip. Laka, do one flip, Bob.
Hey,
Hey, boom.
Turning point.
Although the flip looks best on President Aubameyang. What? Laka Shaka? Shaka Laka. 1-1, nice. Do you think this will be the game on Sunday also? No. Oh, United will win, right?
No. But I don't think like so quick. Like we're.
I think United will win because Arsenal, home only, they're not playing.
That's what you think. We scored 6-1 at home. Bob. What do you think? Home is nothing this year. This year home is away.
The new home is the new away.
Home is the new away. For United should be that the tagline. Not Red Devils. Home is the new away.
Nicola Pepe. Not the
Dude,
pass he had
it's
in
just
mind.
this FIFA 21 I'm not used to. We have to play this more. See how fast he ran? He just went off. Dude.
Hey, but that's the guy gave one boost. No?
Rashford runs faster than his tweets, bro.
Oh, hey.
But all said and done, I think Rashford is doing a great deal of help to a lot of people in UK because the homeless problem in
And it's
UK
for
is a
Maitland
lot.
Niles.
Yeah.
So I think he's doing a great job. Dude, it's like the defenders can just,
Martial
I don't know, dude, it's very sad.
and Rashford. Bruno Fernandes.
Bloody shit. Hey, fuck face, bro.
He's enjoying space.
Enjoying space, huh? Stephen
Oi.
Hawking, huh?
Almost.
R.I.P. Stephen
For the
Hawking.
first time.
Oh shit. Yeah, so you think United will win, you think?
Yeah, I think United will win. Because they
Win?
Yeah, dude, they'll win, dude.
Why, Bob?
See, I know.
Why are you so sure of United win but not Arsenal win?
I am very Luke Shaw that Arsenal will lose.
So you think we'll have a party after the
You will
game?
definitely have a party.
And now with Aubameyang.
Horrible. Very bad.
Why, Bob? Why pass? Why you pass it like this? Why you give it to me?
And Rashford. Arsenal have it back.
What is this high press you're doing, huh? Stay in your lane, bro.
Hey,
Bloody
saw
sh-
PSG game, huh?
Attacking momentum, but not
Yeah,
so.
shit, dude.
Fucking, we showed them who.
Yeah, if you guys beat PSG, then Arsenal will. What is this?
It's not like that.
And attempting the through ball.
Oi!
Nice.
Well, he had design.
It's not like that. It doesn't work like that. Then we should have defeated Chelsea.
That's true. Yep. Chelsea's a smaller team than Arsenal. No, so they should.
Defensive clearance.
Chelsea's the smallest team. Chelsea's smaller than Sheffield Wednesday, Thursday.
Maguire.
Wait, what was
I
that?
didn't do shit.
What the
I
fuck,
didn't do
dude?
shit.
What the fuck?
I
You
didn't do
always-
jack ball.
Oh god, you too much happy fellow. You threw it out.
Hey, President Aubameyang, dude. Dude, you just stood on me, bro.
What the
Horrible. I'm not even. Hey, Tierney.
Now Paul Pogba.
David Luiz to the rescue. Shit.
Not a great pass.
Oh.
Just because.
Maitland Niles.
But you still didn't tell why. Why not Arsenal? No, I'm not saying you guys should win because I don't want you guys to win. But why not? Just for like my curiosity.
Shit.
And everyone in the centre looking forward as it
Because
celebrates.
against United is, I don't know, they are.
But last year you guys hit 2-1.
Arteta's tactics only works against small teams, dude. I don't think he's ready for like United and City and.
Really important
That should
piece
have
of
been a goal.
last-ditch defending.
So yeah, his teams only his strategy works only against small teams. It doesn't work against big ones. Not that United is a big team, but it does not work.
Options here.
David Luiz to the rescue. I hope he plays the same way, dude.
Hey, don't expect so much from him.
So 20 minutes.
He only
just
doesn't
know.
expect Bob.
Effective chance. Hector Bellerin.
Run, Pepe!
Hey, you don't have Mbappe, Bob. You're Pepe.
Hey, he's also fast.
No, I'm not saying like that. Like I'm saying you won't run.
Not
so much.
Rawalpindi, but he's fast.
Progress.
Give it to him. No, he's waiting. Bloody
Paul Pogba.
Foggy Bear. Oh, David Luiz is on fire today, dude.
Pogba.
Messi.
Tremendous block. He got nothing but ball. He's conceded the corner.
Van de Beek. Huh?
Bukayo
Is it
Saka
time?
is coming.
What time is it? But wait, I want to see stat. Wait. What? Hey,
Hey.
why would I do that? Oh shit!
Absolutely nothing.
I wasn't even ready for it.
I was not ready. Hey, run, Bob. Your ball only in your court. You really thought I'll pass it to him?
Chumma, I wanted to like be there when it happens.
Struggling to keep the ball.
I was going to say, why are you playing like Arsenal? I realize you're playing with Arsenal today. Just for everyone who's watching this, you should know Ushank will never play with Arsenal.
I'm playing only for the sake of this podcast. Otherwise, I never play with Arsenal. I only play with Barca,
Snuffing out the
Juve,
danger.
or any other big team.
Liverpool.
5 minutes of the 90. Still
Wow, you're like those people, dude. Like those people are like big team, small team. Classist fuck you. In football, you're creating class and creed.
Chasing and chasing.
Whoo!
What a timely save.
Nice
But
save.
offside.
Nice save.
Level.
Oh, it's not. Damn.
Now let's bring Van de Beek.
Willian by Captain, sorry, President
Who
Aubameyang.
defends the match. And over comes the corner.
Oh, yo,
But
Willian.
honestly, hitting with a like heading the ball in, that feeling is too.
Yeah, it's just
Look who's coming. Sure.
Ceballos, Real Madrid.
Represent.
Let's go. Oh, dude, you keep fouling me, bro.
Hey, referee is there to see
You don't have
honor.
VAR on FIFA and all, okay? Just because
Don't.
United has VAR every time. I mean, there is, but here, like,
That was one stop shop in a one stop shop in a one. Oi, good.
shopper stop. Huh? Lifestyle, you are.
I knew what I had to do after this.
1-1, guys.
First, best of three.
Best
first
of three.
match,
First
1-1.
match is a draw. But nice game.
Oh, classic. Okay,
Classic.
classic.
So
Oh, we have to win. Okay.
We are moving into extra time, guys.
Because they want us to finish the game, not like any other United roster where they're like just
And
draw and
no
get
one
out.
is leaving. Well, fitness levels are going to be tested now, Derek.
Tested positively.
Paul Pogba.
Foggy Bear.
The attack carried promise, but petered out. Thomas.
Oh, no.
Oh, that should have been a goal, no, Bobby.
An attacking possibility.
Which players do you think will stand out?
And here's Partey.
Hey, get up!
Party in the USA. Nice, dude. Party scored. I hope he scores against United as well.
Look at this again.
But that was a nice goal.
Fuck!
Partey has really nice
What
power.
am I?
I'm really happy we bought this 30 minutes before the transfer window closed.
Can Manchester United come
Suddenly I
up with an
realized,
answer?
Arteta realized.
No. It was a master move, dude. They broke the release clause in the last half an hour of the transfer window. You should see it. They've done a whole video about it. It's pretty cool.
How they are unethical.
No.
Arsenal have
They did. It's like
Oh,
a master.
they did something.
It's a master move by Arteta, and I don't know if Wenger was involved. They keep involving Wenger in everything.
So 1 minute of stoppage time. That's what the officials have said.
Come on. It's only first half. It's okay.
Eish.
First half. It's okay,
15
friends.
minutes.
It's okay, boys. It's okay.
There are 15
One
minutes.
more.
Bruno, you might go to Mars soon. Because
Well, the big
Elon Musk
question,
called
who will
him.
come out on top? We're into the second period of extra time here. Dani Ceballos. It's with William. Bukayo Saka.
No, Bob.
Well, it looked
Harry
highly
Maguire
promising, but
learned
they got
some
nothing out of it.
header. I think one training they only gave him. They told you have to head the ball in. That's all.
They also must have told him, listen, don't defend your own team.
Back into this game. Can he find the net?
That was a save and a half, y'all.
Hey, no!
Oh, he's gone and
That
missed
should have
it.
been a goal.
Well, you need to be steady in front of
This is what is
goal.
new in FIFA 21. That tell you like come front, you can pass it your like player. For people like me, who pass to the from goalkeeper to the defender, and then other fuckers take the ball.
And running it back.
Shakalaka.
Well, 5 minutes remaining in this, the second period of extra time. Donny van de Beek.
Van de
Times
Beek.
against Manchester United, but it's not over for them. This could level it.
That was your last chance, Bobby.
Opponents and winning it back.
Okay,
You were
this
saying.
is your last chance.
You were
That
saying.
was your definite last chance.
In danger.
And
And the fourth official
City waja.
that will have 1 additional minute.
don't go.
Visualisation and execution. And they have possession again.
Go. Hey, no!
Finish. And the referee has blown for 4.
Oh, it's okay. One game out of 3 games. It's okay.
Cool. So we are at the second game. I won the first one 2-1 in extra time. So now what we'll do is we'll try and talk about what players we might want to look out for. We'll start with United.
Players look out for. I think Alex Telles did a great job in the PSG game. I think if they get Tuanzebe, I keep getting his name. If they get Tuanzebe, is nice, dude. He's a great player. I think he should come down for some like Arsenal. But the thing with Arsenal is they're not exactly relying on like strong player or one per player for that matter. And they have a good amount of like a team which is involved in all of this. So I feel like in that context, we need to have a good defense. I feel like because we can't keep holding on to our own defenders. We need to defend other players. So I feel like that is a big thing.
What about
So I feel like if they bring Cavani, I want to see how Cavani plays. Cool. So if I had to choose from defense, I think I want to see Telles as my first option. If given a second option, then Tuanzebe. Mid Van de Beek, Fernandes, Pogba. I'm giving you the whole team in a way, but I feel like Fernandes and Fernandes with Van de Beek or maybe Pogba if he starts this time because he's not started a game yet. And forward is normal. I really want to watch Martial come and like outdo the defense of Arsenal because I know he can. Same with Rashford, I know he can. And it'll be interesting to see Cavani come out and see what happens.
Cool.
What do you think?
I think for me, in United, I think I would definitely Martial would be somebody to look out for because he scores on most occasions. And Martial and the usual suspects, Bruno, Van de Beek. But I'm not too worried about the midfield because I think we have great holding midfielders in Arsenal. So yeah, I think in Arsenal I would look. I'm looking for a good game from Gabriel Magalhaes. I don't know how to say his name, but yeah, the new signee. And in midfield, Partey, obviously. And I think Aubameyang will step up because it's a big game.
Yeah.
So yeah, we are playing in Emirates. We'll play slightly later. We'll play at 8 and the last game we'll play late night drama.
I hope this match goes my way. Otherwise, you won the whole tournament.
Yeah, if I win this,
in a way.
then the best
Tournament.
of 3 is over. Let's see. Hopefully, David Luiz keeps Marshall in his pocket.
1 second. I don't know if I'm. I think it's recording.
How do we know if it's recording?
This now it's recording.
Okay, now it's
That
recording.
thing. Oh.
Second game. If I win this, the series ends. If Harsh wins, then we play one more game. Whoa, whoa! Legends of Arsenal.
And what we have coming up for you
Henry.
is best of 3 series action. It's Arsenal taking on Manchester United.
Come on.
Well, thank you, Derek. The prize is right there in front of their eyes.
The advantage of playing someone one game after another is you exactly know what their gameplay might be.
Yeah.
So it's a little more easier.
And we both suck ass. we can only
Let's
play.
admit.
We can only play against each other. We don't play against any other people.
We don't want to.
Because we
We
can't
don't want
also.
to take our favorite teams and play FIFA and then realize, oh fuck, there's a real scoreline in the live game also. Goal. 6 minutes 40 seconds.
President Obama
Obama Young. Wow, he's saying drain out the noise.
That is a KL Rahul celebration, dude. What is this Bangalore swag in President Obama? Man, Yet Bisaka.
Granit Xhaka. Now Lacazette.
I think this match I'll bring in
Arsenal moving
Cavani.
forward with purpose.
No!
Failed to keep themselves
Offside.
Granit Xhaka, Granite Tiles Xhaka. Yeah, I should have won Kajaria. I won last time. David Luiz. He's just rescuing
He's
me.
CB Bob. He's the central nervous system of your defense. I can't believe you. Like your team has David Luiz as a center.
Who else should we keep? Huh? Who else is there? David Luiz is there. That's all. He's whatever. Okay, he's bipolar and all, but at least he has experience. Hey, what is this, dude? You jumped over me. What do you think? This is a fence? Huh?
Fantastic piece of defending, was it?
You jump over. Horrible pass.
That's what you say, fucking, then you get the ball.
Lacazette. Opportunity it is. Partey.
Party. Koda papadi, samosa.
Oh shit!
A million miles away.
Million miles away, like.
Miles away, miles
I was
away.
gonna
No?
say like Andromeda
Ricochet.
Galaxy,
Oh.
but that is just more than million miles away. Sorry for the inaccuracy. Any astronomy buffs, please do not at me.
I don't think that many people also watch our video. What do you think, astronomers and all? There's so much time between space and we're like, come, let's go watch 2 boys.
They don't have time, but they have space.
Well, he made that interception look routine. In truth, it wasn't.
Oh shit.
And the counter-attack is on. Options available. Can they keep it going?
Yes! Yes!
A goal for Manchester United, who find now.
See, Marshall.
Marshall scored again.
Marshall only.
1-1 guys, 1-1, 43 minutes.
Finally, this was the pass I was looking for.
Ooh, you don't have any other player. Wow.
Cutting the ball back.
Cutting chai.
Cutting chai,
Half
cutting
time.
chai, cutting chai.
Hey, tweet boy.
You know, none of this gets recorded if you do it again.
Oh damn.
Not anything. If game also doesn't get recorded, then what do you do?
Exactly, that would be messed up. Then the whole point of this will be. Anyway, hopefully, yeah, the game is getting recorded.
James.
How do we check? Do you want to check once?
Pogba has it.
15 minutes license cannot be verified. Horrible.
Arsenal have given it away.
Like they've given away Ozil.
Oh shit.
United might be able to.
Ozil!
Well, visionary passing.
Yes! Yes!
That's 2 for him today. They simply can't stop him. No
Yeah,
wonder
yeah,
he's
yeah.
celebrating.
Bruno can't dance to
Will
save
be
his
very
life.
interesting to see
No, you go back to Lisbon. He's from Lisbon, no?
Yeah. Why you want to send to Lisbon, Bob?
Because he can't dance, no?
Oh,
And they're inside the final.
so people come to UK for nightclubs or what?
And they get the ball once more.
Martial arts.
Makes his way in field. Promising move.
Oi, so close.
That was called for.
देखो कितनी पास है ये.
Van de Beek.
सोचो कितनी दूरी है.
Are you
Bruno
gully boy?
Fernandes has it.
Yeah.
Martial. Crucial block from David Luiz.
Shit. Hey, bicycle. Hey, go buy one tricycle.
Oh, yeah. What is going on?
Arsenal defense on
Friends,
fire for the first
what is
time.
going on? Since 2004.
Maitland-Niles.
Go home.
Maitland-Niles, he made a debut for England.
Back in play. Lacazette.
No!
89th minute!
In the closing phase of this game.
Oh!
Yeah, shaka laka boom boom. Nice. So we have 1 minute exactly. And then again it'll go to extra time.
Shifting emotions. And we will have just
I think I
one
hurt my
additional
hand
minute.
celebrating too
Getting
hard.
in there to intercept.
Hard. Oh shit.
Full time.
Referee blows the whistle.
I scored.
Still all square at the end.
Hey,
Full time.
Now Lacazette. Partey. Now Aubameyang.
No!
And it's two for him today.
Shaka laka boom boom. Flippity flip. Flip.
Okay.
Again I scored in extra time, y'alls.
Okay,
Here
let's.
it is again.
I think this best of three
Great
series might end
to set
soon.
up the chance. And when he gets through to the keeper, he just
I hope this works.
gives him no chance to think. A lovely finish.
Marshall.
Cavani.
Cavani. Let's see what happens.
What a big moment in the dying embers. Will it prove decisive here? Nicolas Pepe.
Okay, just for record, this is not going to happen in the real match day.
Great challenge. He got nothing but
1 minute to go.
decision offside here.
Last attack from United.
The stoppage time
And
situation.
David Luiz
1
will
minute
save
here.
this as well, I
Opportunity to deliver the
think.
cross.
Cavani scores!
121st minute, y'all.
Penalty. We are going to
They're
penalty.
going to pens, guys.
Oh fuck, dude!
Woo!
I can't believe I thought I will give one nice Kadak header. I'll give. Okay, I thought nice Kadak header I'll give. It'll go in, but I thought let's try.
Okay, I suck at taking pens.
Oh, purple.
About to commence.
Hey, don't press too hard. Press one time you press O and then decide where you want to go.
In it
Oof.
goes. Well, that's
1-0.
the way to practice penalties in training.
Oh! Saved it! Bruno Fernandes that too.
But he gets the right way. Good save. Goalkeeper
I don't know why he fell off.
Bread and
He
butter,
fell off like on
bread
80.
and butter. And he scores from the spot. Confident, head down, lovely score.
David Luiz.
Come on. I think too much energy.
And he scores. Well, don't they look easy when they go in?
Foggy Bear versus Leno. Whoa.
I don't know why he's not moving. I only shot.
Hey, I don't think the sensor must be to नीचे रखा है ना joystick.
Oh.
हाँ, that's what. What is that run up? Dude, take it fast. No. Oh my God, dude, take it.
I think I pressed it too hard. That's why.
So if I score
Bob,
this,
no,
I
Bob.
win.
This is a.
A goal, and they win the game. And the penalty to win it.
Ozil wins it, guys.
He looked calm. He was in the
Best of 3 is over.
Yeah, I got this match so close.
So I won the best of 3 series.
It doesn't
but
matter.
That is not going to be the fate of the game, apparently.
I hope that won't be, shalln't
Mustn't.
be the fate of the game. But if you had to predict, what would you say?
I think United will win 1-0, 2-0, not more than that. But Yeah, it's just that I don't think Arteta has the tactics for a big team.
I hope it's a close match, so it should go either 2-1 or 3-2. 3-2 I don't know because both the teams haven't scored so much also together collectively in the last few games. But if they are going, see, both of them will have defensive mindset but will also attack and work on counter attacks because both the teams have done that in the past. So I feel like, yeah, maybe 2-1. 2-1
Cavani
United.
will come?
2-1 United. Cavani might play. I hope Van de Beek starts.
I hope Partey starts.
Yeah. So peace. I hope we win.
Peace. I hope we don't get thrashed.